Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, at this moment I have something breaking and really important. So I have got this press release from High Commission of Indian Ottawa's Twitter account, and that is what I'm showing it over here. So it's a great news and a step towards normalization of ties between India and Canada after the diplomatic row. So the last news we had was very upsetting, where 41 Canadian diplomats were expelled out of India. But now, this step where India resumes some visa services back for Canadians. As you can see, they have said the High Commission of India in Ottawa, Canada, and its consulate generals in Toronto and Vancouver. Okay, because of safety and security considerations, after considered review of the security situation, some recent Canadian measures in this regard, it has been decided to resume visa services for the following categories. So, not for all categories, effective from October 26. Entry, business, medical, conference. Emergency situation will continue to be addressed by the High Commission and the Consulate as it has been done correctly. So somebody who has emergency and doesn't fall into this, they can contact the Consulate General and Embassy, and probably they are gonna address. Uh, Hopefully even tourist visas resume soon, but as of now it is not. But hopefully it comes soon. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.